Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'll just be going over my trade recap for the day. First, trade recap of the funded account. I've been recording live account recasts, but this is my first funded account trade recap. Um, yeah, so I took one trade today on EU, I believe, or GJ, and it was a loss. I'm down 1% right now on the challenge, but um, yeah, not really worried. I had quite a bit of wins right before going into this challenge, so I'm not really worried about this loss. It's just a 1% loss. Losses happen, so I'm not really that frustrated about it. Okay, so on the 4 hour, I'll go over news first. So on news today, we didn't really have anything, just orange folder news at 3 and 3:30. So I wasn't really worried about that because I don't trade after 3 p.m. anyway. So it was pretty clear market conditions. So the 4 hour was bearish, because we never closed above these highs until the very end until candle closed at 10 a.m. So hold on. Yeah, so we broke structure with this low right here to the downside. Didn't see any closure above. This technically wasn't even a break of structure to the upside as well. So yeah, I was just bearish all over. However, the 1 hour was bullish on per market with this high getting pushed above, and we didn't break structure to the downside. So 4 hour and 1 hour were not in confluence with each other. 30-minute was also bullish. So yeah, nothing was in line. So I marked out Asian lows, Asian highs, London lows right here, and London highs up here. Since Asian highs were already taken out during London session, I just didn't really want to worry about Asian highs, and I was primarily focused on the London highs. So price opened right below the London high, made a wick into it, so I consider that the interaction, and then didn't get a break of structure until way later. Price retraced back into the London high, didn't break structure until way later after pushing past, and then breaking structure with this candle down here, and then also a fair value gap here. So yeah, that's what I entered off of. I just entered off the inverse fair value gap getting closed below, and then a break of structure as well with this one candle here, and yeah, didn't really work out. So why do I think why do I think market moved this way? Probably this was probably just a retracement, and since all of the time frames were in different biases, probably wasn't the best probable conditions to trade in. Yeah, I mean, this could have just been a retrace into this high and then a further push above, but yeah, maybe I should have noted that because price had already pushed past the London high, and that since it was retracing back into the low, that this could have been a potential re-entry for it to just keep on going higher instead of just going down. But once I saw this momentum going downwards, seeing this break of structure here, and then I didn't want to enter off this fair value gap here, inverse fair value gap where this break of structure was, because I thought it would just reverse right after filling that in, but it reversed right after I entered off the other one, so didn't really work out. So what are some emotions I felt during this? Well, I felt kind of scared for taking the first trade on my FTMO account anyway, because it's my first. I feel like I just get nervous on the first trade of any new start of anything. It's just a 1% loss. Yeah, down 104, I think 105 on the 10K account. So yeah, not really worried. I think I'll make it back eventually, but yeah, also yeah, didn't really feel any other emotions, just fear, nervousness kind of on the first trade, but I feel like it'll go away with time. I felt pretty confident in this. I thought it was gonna go, but I don't know, to talk about one thing that I could something I could have improved on this trade. Maybe because 4 hour and 1 hour were not in line. Maybe I should have de-risked, maybe, or something like that, and only trade only how it'll be more probable, and more I'll be more confident in the trade if all the higher time frames are in line with each other. Not sure what the day was doing, but I think the day was pretty bullish. I mean, bearish at the time. Yeah, price was bearish as well. It's probably just, yeah, no idea. Maybe price just wanted to reverse at the 4 hour candle. But what I saw here as well was after I entered, which kind of got me a bit nervous, was if I just remove these, this high, this high here almost got close above, but not really. So I don't know why I was really like that worried about it, but yeah, I mean, can't really do anything now. Just learn from this first trade. Not that big of a deal. It's just one loss. Like, can't get fixated over a loss. I can learn from it. Let's go over EU2. I didn't take any trades because like everything was like weird. So 4 hour was bearish. So I was only looking for shorts. 1 hour was, wait, no. 4 hour was bullish before this candle. This was the news open. This is the candle that closes after market open. But pre NY session, we were bullish. So I was looking for long positions. 1 hour was also 1 hour was bearish, however, on this. But yeah, 1 hour was bearish. I mean, yeah, bearish. 30-minute. Yeah, so Asian highs were up here, Asian lows were down here. Asian lows got pushed below past during London session, as well as the as well as the London lows getting pushed below during its own session. So I didn't really know how to like. The only thing I was potentially thinking of was seeing this interact with it and then push further down, but I wasn't willing to take longs off of this because it's not part of my plan, right? So, but I felt like price would want to come and take out this like higher time frame liquidity points, but yeah, I didn't really see a proper like entry because I was looking for longs and that got fulfilled. It's just I didn't have a proper execution point on when to do it. Like, yeah, it was just like moving weird today. I can't lie. So, and most of the move happened after my like trading period. So, yeah, man, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow probably. Yeah, I don't think tomorrow is not too heavy news either. Yeah, just unemployment claims. Probably just trade like 15-20 minutes, see if there's a huge effect. If there's a big effect, I'll probably just not trade. But yeah, that's it. Goodbye.